Hey, it's Joey with Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop today. We're going to throw an OG crash bar on this 2020 RoadGlide. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you what tools you need to get started. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a ratchet, a 3/8 12-point socket, a 532 Allen wrench, and a 3/8 16 tap. For starters, you're going to want to remove your factory crash bar if you haven't already. You'll notice we have. You're going to take your 3/8 16 tap, run it through the two stock crash bar mounting locations on your chassis just to get any old powder coat, rust, Loctite, anything out of those threads. You'll also want to run that tap through the top tab of your OG crash bar. You're going to take that top tab and slip it behind the plate on your chassis. You'll see where the holes line up, and then you'll swing it down and you'll notice that you may have a tight fit. You may have to just grab those two sides of the crash bar and spread them just a hair, and it should slide right on. Once you get it in, you're going to put those two 3/8 by 1 ARPs in there, and then after you've gotten the two bolts started on the frame, then you can go ahead and adjust the crash bar accordingly to get the top bolt mounted. After you've torqued all those down, you're going to want to take the caps to your factory fairing support, and you'll notice they fit just like the factory one. Around the crash bar, take a 532 Allen and go ahead and tighten down those caps on both sides. After that, that's it. Get out there and fucking rip.